Today I want to introduce a new item for us that I've been waiting on for, I think, 4 years. What is it? A Hunterworks 900 primary clutch. We've had our 1000 clutch out since October of 22. We are now on what we call Gen 3. We do these, we build them in generations, and we will stop at generation 3, I hope, but that just simply means Gen 1 had a couple of issues and bugs we found. We stopped what we were doing, we worked through that. Gen 2 come out, had little issues. These issues show up real quick. We stopped and we waited a whole 9 months till we were 100% satisfied with the Gen 3, lots of testing under the bridge, test rigs, built, you name it, upgrades, etc. And so then we put those into production. This is still talking about the 1000. We started selling them February 28th. We sold over 300. And today's date, which is first week of June of 24, so far, 0 issues. We feel like it is resolved. And only because we felt like it was resolved did we feel like it was time to finally bring the 900 to market. And it is available. It is on our website. If you have any Polaris 900 UTV, doesn't matter, RZR or Ranger, the 900 primary of ours worked for it. It is the only US made cast aluminum OE style clutch. Our clutch does not limit you to what you put in it. We sell it empty, meaning no weights, no spring, or uncalibrated, whatever term you like to use. We sell it that version, so you can use stock, anybody's clutch kit you want, hopefully a Dalton from us. Today's date, we only offer a complete stock one for the Ranger 900s. We will at some point have a stock one for the 900 RZRs. I just hadn't got there yet, and my feeling is if you have a RZR, you're probably putting bigger tires already, etc. And you need new parts in it, might as well use that money towards a good quality Dalton clutch kit. So that's our theory today. Let me think what else I could tell you about it. There will be an end card, if you'll stick to the very end, an end card that will explain to you all the things that we upgraded a Hunterworks clutch in. It's an older video, but it's explaining all the upgrades we did to make it better than the OEM. And lastly, we understand the price is high. And we also know that you can certainly buy a cheaper clutch. But remember what I said, it is the only American-made cast aluminum OE style clutch made in the United States. All others with any name is Chinese, and they're just cheaply made. I've got one, you can't see it on the camera right here, that I dissected, and it's just bad. So it's made here in America, and it just costs, and there's just not a whole lot I can do about it. And so we understand it, but I always like to say, we're trying to make and sell the best on the planet. If you buy cheap and it fails, then the money you spent there, and then you come to us, look what you spent. So just do it right. First time, hit us up, check them out on the website. We get Hunter to put a link in the description below. You got any questions about it that we don't answer on the website through videos and other information, then shoot me an email, todd@hunterworks.com, and we appreciate you being so patient with us. I think I've been waiting 4 years for this. Have a good day.